At Brazen, we're known for making really cool stuff. I mean, we made a foam roller do that. Incredible, right? Just like you, we like things that fold. You know, for space-saving kick-assness. And we like things to be beautiful, you know, for looking at. That's why we came up with this, the FLiPBENCH. It's a workout bench that flips down in like a second. Now you don't have to go through all that annoying setup to work on your favorite muscle, the serratus anterior. I love me some serratus anterior.
What's with the goat?
My pet Steve. Did you know? 92% of home workout equipment goes forgotten under the bed or in the closet. Neither did we. We just made up that statistic, but it sounds about right. Think about it. You buy something with the best of intentions, then you have to open your closet, take something heavy out, lock things into place, and then you're working out on a subpar piece of equipment. Not anymore, baby. With the FLiPBENCH, you just pull here, boom. Pull it down, workout space. Flip it up, living space. Down, workout space. Up, down, up, down, up, down. You got it. The FLiPBENCH is solid as all heck. You can do plyos on it and it won't fall over. That's not plyos. The FLiPBENCH is the result of years of design work and tinkering by Brazen engineer Tyler, who just happens to have a PhD from MIT making cool stuff.
Kinematically optimal mechanism for leg extension and retraction.
Yeah, like I said, kick-assness. But rather than fancy words, let's just show them. The FLiPBENCH is purpose-built for doing full workouts in small spaces. It can be used with any set of weights, dumbbells, or resistance bands, has multiple incline positions for a complete workout, and allows you to do floor-based exercises in the same space you do your bench exercises. The FLiPBENCH's elegant lines, wood legs, and performance fabric means it's not just a piece of garage workout equipment. Nope, this thing can go in the house. It's a house bench. The best part is that when FLiPBENCH is up, it takes up less than 1 square foot of floor space. So, unlike your pet goat, it doesn't get in the way when you're not using it. Get out of the way, Steve. It's the perfect solution for those that want to get a great workout at home without all the clutter and the hassle. It's like that saying goes, you can have your bench, and you get too. Simplify your workout with FLiPBENCH. It takes up no space, looks awesome, sturdy as heck, patent pending workout bench of the future.
Cut!
Hey guys, can I get my living room back now? I got friends coming over and the goat's gotta go. But you can leave the bench. I like that thing.
FLiPBENCH, the workout bench of the future. Future. Workout bench. Future. FLiPBENCH.